Welcome back, Mercy University. As we begin an exciting new academic year, I am thrilled to see our vibrant campuses come alive again with students, faculty, and staff. I hope you enjoyed a fantastic summer and are feeling refreshed and recharged for the fall semester. Mercy University is more than an institution of higher education. It's a community where we support each other, challenge ourselves, and grow together. You are part of something special here at Mercy. Students, you are mavericks, and mavericks dream big. I encourage you to embrace every new opportunity that comes your way. Ask questions, explore, push your boundaries so that you learn and deepen your experience with us. And my faculty and staff colleagues, you know I am so grateful to you. Your unwavering dedication and hard work are the cornerstone of this marvelous institution. Thank you for guiding, for inspiring, and for supporting our students in every step of their journey. I can't wait to see all that we will accomplish together this year. Here's to a fantastic fall semester. I look forward to seeing you on campus. Thank you.